Hey gang, it's me, Harold Dufresne, with After Show Chat. And as you saw a few weeks ago, I had a video up when I was in Gulfport. I picked up DaBay Pickled Shrimp, and I did a review of that. So you might be asking, oh, why are you doing another review? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Because DaBay reached out to me and sent me, after I posted that other video, they reached out to me and sent me a large 32-ounce jar of pickled shrimp. And they said this is a new recipe. So they asked me to try it. Now look, they sent this to me. They're very, very nice to do that. I will give my honest opinion because I don't want you to spend your money if it's not good. But I'll give you my honest opinion, but I want to thank them so much for sending me this to try out, and I can't wait to try out this new recipe. I went through about 3 jars of these little ones when I bought them in Mississippi, and you might be asking, why you keep the juice? I find the juice is good, like the Bloody Marys. You pour that in a little bit in the Bloody Marys, it comes out good. So I'm going to open that up so I can do a smell comparison for the new jar. Now look, gang, I'm going to tell you something. First off right off the bat, this jar, this 32-ounce jar, is full of shrimp. I mean, these little jars had a good little bit of shrimp in them, but this one, you said, wow, they're packed to the gills with shrimp over here. So, wow. But let's see how they taste. I can't wait. Now, like I said, I love I guess they would call this the old recipe. I can't wait to see this new recipe because these are good. And the old recipe, ooh, a lot, filled to the brim. My goodness. Maybe the thing I could probably tell the most, it smells, the vinegar smell. Is it as strong in the new one? I don't know what it is, but that's what it is. My goodness. I mean, oh my goodness. Look at the shrimp they put in here. That's unbelievable. They give you your money's worth, for sure. Wow, what is that? Little, like, chopped onions in there? Wow. I can't wait to try this. So I'm going to grab a couple in here and give it a taste test and see how this new recipe of DaBay Pickled Shrimp tastes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to leave a link on the bottom of the video so you know where to order them from. So here we go. Honest review. Let's try this new recipe of DaBay Pickled Shrimp. Ooh la la. Let me try another one. Man, look at the size of this, but it's a big one. Gang, I don't know what they did with this new recipe. Maybe it has a little bit less vinegar kick. Maybe the vinegar is a little more subsided in this one, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's the flavor I get. Let me try the old recipe. Yeah, I think it has a little less vinegar kick, but it's perfect. This one has like whenever you take a bite of it, like has a strong vinegar pickle flavor. This one has a little more subtle flavor. I guess that's it, but let me tell you. Oh, gang. Oh, these are so good. And I'm going to be honest with you, and I say that a lot, but these are delicious. I went through 3 jars like this. I know I'm going to, oh man, can you imagine? I could have just imagined this with a Bloody Mary. You put some of this pickled shrimp and you drink your Bloody Mary, you have that as a garnishment, or you put that in your salad. Oh, and look how much I cannot get over how much shrimp this is jam-packed in here. Tons of shrimp in there. Gang, this new recipe, DaBay Pickled Shrimp. Oh man, this gets an A+ on the Be the Man scale that we don't use no more. 5 crabs on the after show chat scale. If you don't know our scales, A is the best, 5 crabs is the best. You cannot go wrong with this. I chilled it up a couple of days. Oh, it's just so good. The problem is, when you start eating these, you don't want to stop. They're that good, I'm telling you. This is a great product. DaBay Pickled Shrimp. I'm going to leave the link in the bottom. Gang, this, if you like pickled things and you love boiled shrimp, this is amazing. You really got to try it. My hats to DaBay Pickled Shrimp. Very nice people. This is good. Can't go wrong with this. Excellent. Until next time, this is Harold Do For Any with After Show Chat.